Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to hide WooCommerce product variations based on user roles, using a music show ticket example. First, we'll enter the code using the Code Snippets plugin. This snippet runs a filter that checks the logged-in user's role and then hides all the other ticket variations. Once we've added it, we'll go ahead and activate the snippet. Next, let's go to the product page settings. Here's where the variations are created using attributes. Each variation corresponds to one of the tickets. Let's head over to the Users menu. Here you'll notice the roles listed as Guest, Member, and VIP. Each role here isn't just a label. It represents a type of customer journey. Guests are casual visitors, members are early supporters, and VIPs are premium customers. The code snippet ensures they only see tickets that apply to them. All right. Let's see it in action on the storefront. First, I'll log out and log in as a guest user. On the product page, when I open the ticket dropdown, I only see the standard pass available. That's because the code filters out all the other variations. Next, I'll log out and log in again as a member user. This time, when I view the same dropdown, only the early bird pass is available. Again, the snippet is checking the user role and matching it to the right variation. And finally, I'll log out and log in as a VIP user. On the product page, the dropdown now shows only the VIP Backstage Pass. No distractions, no chance of purchasing the wrong variation. So, what's the takeaway here? With just a snippet, you can create a tailored shopping experience, where each customer only sees what's meant for them,